Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been trying to definitely make some different type of videos. So yeah, I bought this planner like a week ago on clearance at Walmart. So the funny thing is this planner I found on clearance at this very same box, same planner. It was on the clearance section when I went to do my Christmas shopping. Everybody knows, like, the good time to get even gifts for the following year is obviously right after when you can get like the 70 to 90%. So Walmart had a slew of stuff. So I was picking up Christmas things that I needed and or wanted to put away for Christmas, and I did end up down their regular standard clearance aisle. So I seen this, and it was marked $11, so I scanned it. It was $11 on clearance. Now, I have done research. I can't find this specific. It's Crazy Art is the brand. Timeless Creations. I can find like gel pens and other things, but I can't find their Undated 12-month 365, which is obviously their mimic of the Happy Planner. I can't find it to find out what the regular price is. So if I can find it before I post this video, or even like during, I will either pin it in a comment, put it in the description box, but I can't find it. So anyway, I left it behind because I generally make my own. So my idea was last year I did really good. I got lucky and found a nice sketchbook on clearance at Walmart for 75 cents, and it's a whatever size this is. It's not, I don't want anything too big, so I think it's like an 8x6 or 9x something like that. So I figured what I would do is pull it apart and keep the back cover, because the back cover was super thick cardboard. And I would make my own cover like I normally do out of cardstock, scrapbook paper, and then I cover it with clear contact paper that you can get at the Dollar Tree. And I also had found a package of these discs, again at Walmart on clearance. I think they were $1 for the pack. So I wanted to do some sort of, I had like a really cool paper pad, again on clearance at Walmart for like $1, and it was like a lot of nature, like textures, like stone and wood. So I thought maybe I would like make that kind of theme. So as you can tell, like, I did stone on the back. I haven't even done the clear contact paper yet. And then I did one with wood on the inside. And then I did find these, I found a package of these are weekly. They were like 50 cents, and I think there is 50 or 60 pages. So, I know I had a weekly setup going, and they're pretty thick pages. And there's so many printables online, so there's so many ways you can make your own and just kind of do your own thing. And that's what I was going to do. I make my own pockets, bookmarks, and stuff. So I just couldn't really get it going. I couldn't get anything cohesive going. It just wasn't happening. So I said, let me see what I could find. And I ended up going back to Walmart with Nikki and went down the clearance aisle, and this sucker was still there, and it was then $7. So I said, let me give it a shot. I know that, with the discs, I can always change the cover. I can make it my own. My idea, and I seen this from Coupon to Provide, is to use the Dollar Tree chopping mats, which I have used for other things, but I never thought to use it for this. She uses it for a planner cover, like protector. So you make your planner cover, and then you can put that as a, protective layer on top, just punch holes, and it flips over the top. It doesn't adhere to it or anything. So I said, you know what, I can do that. I'll use the chopping mat. I was actually gonna adhere my scrapbook paper to that, and use that as my base, and then just cover it with the clear contact paper. So I can do anything with these discs. So I did pop it like open, so I wanted to show you that I got it for $7. Let me see if I can show you the back. The back, it's 550 pieces, and the back does show you everything you get. Try not to flip everything out of it. So here is a kind of overview of everything inside. You get, here's a list here. One planner, and that planner size is 7 3/4 by 9 3/4. You get 12 monthly dividers, 72 weekly monthly pages, calendar sheets, sorry, 2 yearly calendars, 75 notepads, 10 journals, journal pages, not notepads, 75 note pages, 10 journal pages, 3 pocket folders, 4 sticker sheets, 6 rolls of washi, 6 gel pens, and 6 binder clips. And everything is pretty cohesive, you know, as you can tell, these all match. There's alphabet stickers, number stickers, and then some regular nice planner stickers. Here are your 3 pocket folders, and then these are your monthly dividers. So yeah, so I did take a look at it. I mean, I would have never bought this full price for sure. It's definitely not the best quality as far as the rings. Let's see if I can get this without everything falling. Okay. So yeah, I've been trying to see about if it just needs to be broken in. By the way, on clearance at Walmart with this trip, I was able to get some paper pads. So they had this one for $1, 12 by 12, 50 sheets, and they're adorable. I didn't actually break the seal on it, but they're just so cute. So really nice for springtime. That's pretty. That's cute. Looks like a little notebook paper. That one too. Oh, that's adorable. With the edge there. That is so cute. So, yeah, this is the only time like I buy a paper like that. That's really cute too. Is when they're $1. So this is paper. It's not cardstock. Now this one is cardstock. It's like 8 by 11 or 8.5 by 11. Also $1. All neutral craft paper color. And then the colors you see here are in sparkle. Glitter. Sparkle. And there is 3 of the same pattern. 3 sheets of the same pattern. So, I love Houndstooth. Adorable. So, yeah. Real pretty. So, for $1, to me, that's definitely a time to stock up on things like that. Because that stuff sits, you know. You get so much of it. What are you going to do with it? They had the ball mason jars. The wide mouth. 50 cents. I don't know why I only got one. I won't use this as decoration because I don't have this color anywhere to display. I got this to give to Nikki's mom for her pickled, just to add to her jars for her pickled eggplant. I should have got more. I will go back. Actually, I need to go do a Ibotta deal. So if there's more, I'll grab them. So for $7, to me, this is worth, look, for everything that you get, $7 worth of products for sure. Even if my idea is I think I'm going to have to get new rings. The rings are super scratchy. They're not finished feeling. And it feels like the pages, like see, these rings are good rings. I mean, it's so hard to show you because they're black. These feel like they are unfinished. Like the edge inside is scratchy and the pages are struggling to move, if that makes any sense. And there was a tear already in one of the pages. A little small tear. I fixed it. You can't even tell. But still, I think, you know, that's going to be annoying to me. So here are the gel pens. I will obviously do an update and show you, like, how the gel pens work. And not that I like gel pens, but, you know, you guys know what washi looks like and stuff. So here are the folders. They are wrapped together in a plastic, and so are the stickers. So, let's see. Everything is like taped together. I don't know if that's such a good idea. Because I gotta say, the folders are made okay, but they're not by any means like super thick, you know. For a folder, I would think it would have been a little bit more sturdy. I mean, these are 2 folders, you know, and they're not that thick, but they'll do the job. It's not like I'm putting, you know, stacks of paper. So you get one, and I like the wood look. One that says beautiful inside and out, and then this one here. So, very floral, very bright and vibrant colors. Here are some of the stickers. Happy, enjoy, I'm going to sunshine today. So good, like inspirational, and then matching, you know, a lot of the stuff is matching to the prints. Cute little, what is that, clipboard. And then it has numbers for your dates, which is cute because it is an undated planner, so that's good. I think there is another sheet, so important, don't forget. And I think, oh, that's cute. And then there is night out, day off, all the months. So, cute stickers. I mean, you definitely get $7 worth of product, but I feel like things could have been made a little bit. They shouldn't have chinsed on the rings, because that's the bulk. That's the spine of the binder. You have to, you know, of the planner. That has to be well made, otherwise the whole thing isn't going to be functional, you know. So here is the monthly dividers, which are really just a cardstock. They're not like a file folder or anything. They're just a cardstock, and they're not even like a super thick cardstock with just a tab. This is September, be happy, and then, you know, your month on the inside, and then in the planner, each month goes according to the color, and it has a border, a header with, you know, each print on it. So we have October, October, November, and I think this is December, bloom, grow, blossom. I would have liked to have seen, I think, that's something a little more according to the seasons, but you know, like I said, I can do my own thing. January. That's pretty for February. March. My birth month, April. Make today beautiful for May. This is pretty. June, that's really pretty. I guess these are like flowers and whatever, succulents. July, August is very pretty too. So, you know, they are good for the price. Whatever this was regularly, I wouldn't pay it. I wouldn't even pay $11. You know, because you could, with a coupon and a sale, you can get the Happy Planner, you know, for just a few more bucks. So, you know, you have to really think about that. But you are getting all other stuff, you know, you are getting a decent amount of product. So, my thing is I wanted a base. I could work with this. This I can cover, you know. This is definitely sturdy and whatnot. But I feel like the actual pages, so this planner belongs to, I just feel like the pages struggle to move when you want to move them in large quantities. So here it was obviously 217 to 218, so that's why it was on clearance. The rest of the planner is, though, undated. And so every header has according to the file folder. And then you have important dates, birthdays to do, notes, don't forget, goals, and you know, your folder for the month would go here, so you'd have your other side. And then you have the month with every month has a different color, and then the header according to the file. So you have your 12 months, And I just feel like I can't, you know, that's about it. I can move like maybe month by month. Maybe that's all you're supposed to. I don't know. I've never really worked with a disc planner. But I did try to move like half the book before. I tried to go from all the months to the journal pages back here. And I had a little bit of a problem. And I was not liking it. I feel like those rings here are, this feeling in the edge is a little much. It's not soft. It's not, it's like, you can even see some of the I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. So I'm thinking just to get new rings. So here is a note section. I guess this was the journal section. Yeah, this must have been the journal section they were talking about. And then there is, the rest is these note section. So, I mean, it's not awful, but I would like to see it. I guess I was trying to move too many pages at once, maybe. I don't know. And here's your back cover. I like that this is plain and just kind of like that woodsy look. And so is the back. And I could totally change this up, you know. At least I have the meat to start with. And I might even you know, put new ones. I like that there's already some folders for me. And I could totally make all, you know, my own. Use these as templates. Add. Take away. There's just so many things that I could do. So, I'm not mad. For the $7, I'm not mad. I definitely would not pay more than that. But I'm, like, cheap. So, you know, don't go by me. But I wanted to kind of show you guys to get your stuff on clearance. You know what I mean? Like, there's just no way, there's no reason to be paying $30 for the book and like $6 for a pack of stickers and $5 for like a paper pad. Some people pay like $10. That's silly. Nah, that's not gonna happen over here. Can't do it, won't do it, even if I could do it. No. So hopefully this is just like a little bit interesting for you guys. And comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see what I do with it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, everybody, be happy.